So do you feel like any numbness tingling into the hand?
No, it's twitching here and twitching here.
Yeah.
And like just a stab pain and then radiating down.
Okay. Like, in through that muscle now?
Yeah.
Okay, I know where it is. So the reason why I am adjusting down here too, even though this is not your area of complaint, is because even this area being out down here will add to the tension up there. Breath in and good. A little pressure. Look up a little. Good. How does that feel compared to previously?
Feels better.